Hi friends, welcome to Shockwave Official. Today topic: guarantee a sound pregnancy in any event. When diabetes strikes. Diabetes can influence an individual's life from numerous points of view, be it dietary changes, way of life changes or much other unexpected problems. It is a sickness that is considered to require deep-rooted board. However, why? Diabetes can influence an individual's life from multiple points of view, be it dietary changes, way of life changes or much other unexpected issues. It is a sickness that is considered to require long-lasting administration. However, did you realize it can influence you briefly also? One of the early indications of diabetes is fluctuating glucose levels. However, these glucose levels can vary briefly during pregnancy. Known as gestational diabetes, it is like ordinary diabetes and furthermore has two sorts, A1 and A2. With the assistance of dietary and way of life changes, A1 gestational diabetes can be controlled. Though A2 gestational diabetes is very serious and necessitates insulin measurements at times. Gestational diabetes condition just perseveres during the pregnancy, however it additionally conveys a danger that you can give type 2 diabetes to your infant. The odds of this event are exceptionally low, however not zero. Consequently, you should search for normal gestational diabetes indications, which are as per the following: regular thirst, successive appetite, regular pee. Diabetes and pregnancy can be extremely difficult to oversee, hence you should hold your glucose levels in line. During pregnancy your body goes through a ton of hormonal changes. This can make abundance glucose get developed in the circulation system. In an ordinary circumstance, your pancreas would manage this abundance glucose, yet during gestational diabetes, it neglects to do as such. On the off chance that you experience any gestational diabetes side effects, kindly contact your gynecologist right away. Contingent upon the seriousness of your condition, your PCP would recommend a few tests to decide whether it's gestational diabetes or not. Gestational diabetes typically happens between week 24 and 28, contingent upon your gestational diabetes indications. A glucose screening test is the most well-known test recommended by specialists for gestational diabetes. In the event that the consequences of the screening test are indistinct, your PCP may likewise recommend an oral glucose resistance test. A glucose resistance test will give precise aftereffects of your glucose levels during feast spans. On the off chance that the aftereffects of the two tests show unpredictable glucose levels, you may have gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes, the executors. Counseling your PCP immediately is the most ideal approach to manage gestational diabetes. Aside from your PCP's ideas, we put down a couple of focuses to guarantee a sound conveyance. At any rate, 3-4 times each day check your glucose levels. Solid eating routine equals healthy conveyance. Ensure you devour an appropriate solid eating routine and stay away from counterfeit sweet tidbits to keep your glucose levels stable. Work out an arrangement with the specialist to guarantee you're getting satisfactory nourishment for the child's turn of events. Increment your addition of normal food sources like natural products, carrots and raisins. 30 minutes of moderate movement consistently can likewise assist with keeping your glucose levels in charge. Activities like strolling, swimming and cycling are the most ideal approach to manage gestational diabetes. Ensure you note down your weight and your child's improvement all through the pregnancy. In the event that your gestational diabetes side effects are serious, kindly counsel your primary care physician for the perfect measure of insulin dose. To keep away from any pregnancy complications, article submission, remember to note down glucose levels routinely. You can embrace certain means to oversee diabetes and pregnancy. Right direction and way of life changes can go far to manage gestational diabetes. Ensure you counsel a specialist straight away in the event that you experience any gestational diabetes side effects for all the important direction. Thank you for watching, support and subscribe.